David Bocage. I am the Associate Director and Academic Coach here at Southern University of New Orleans with the Student Support Services TRIO program. So all of the content that was covered in the presentation was very vital to pretty much the management of a student's life, work, school balance, how they look at their week, how they look at their day, and structure it in a way where they're not wasting time and they are effective in their outcomes, and making sure that everything counts from beginning to end. Not only just with studying, but with managing their family time, any other responsibilities or employment they may have, with prioritizing and making sure that they dive deeper and strategize and go further into not just surface level priorities or tips or advice on how to manage time, but really digging into being more specific on how can you accomplish this goal? How can you make changes? How can you adapt? How can you incorporate? What I've gotten out of the session is how do you incorporate what you're doing currently, and how do you put in something that's new in order to enhance it or improve it? Overall, it's a great presentation and I can't wait for the next one. Oh, every university, especially on a smaller scale within this city, should have Fred Johnson as their guest speaker. He goes beyond the call of duty. He is on task. He makes sure that the topics that are covered are plain and simple and are approachable for students to kind of digest and make it their own. So without a doubt, Fred Johnson is the guest speaker for all college students, no matter what.